This is Cathode Ray Dude. This is an advertising display he bought as e-waste. It was used to advertise nicotine. Gross. And this... well, this is carnage. He did this because he couldn't get into the BIOS since they gave it PTSD. He drilled out the storage hoping it would be forced to boot from USB, but nope. But if you're me and you hear something like, oh, I don't know.
Since RePC, the store I bought it from, had 6 more of these.
Uh-oh. Welcome, not so little guy.
Oh, and I got them to knock $10 off the price tag by promising to come back with the password.
Get into it. Tiny little baby knife. Tech bus has a knife. I'm not a tech bus. Wow, look at that screen. It's so beautiful. Is this some kind of digital signage thing? Yep. It was used to advertise Zoomer chewing tobacco. Harbor. Enjoyment by your side. Nicotine pouch. The stream does not endorse nicotine. Cannot connect to AT&T. The display is just an HDMI display. It's not that interesting. What's interesting is the actual little guy underneath the screen. It's this. This is the little guy that we care about. Now it's looking for cellular network. Stream is not sponsored by a nicotine. Step 1, separate the little guy from his screen. I've already slightly cut myself on the tech. Lena screwdriver.
See these nuts?
Actually, you know what? Even better than this is not an ad. What? What? I thought this was a screw coming in from the front. It's not.
Nope.
It's not. And now, yes. I'm guessing it's just these 2 screws to get the computer itself out. We are slowly peeling away the layers of the little guy to reveal the littleness underneath. So here's our little guy. Yeah, I guess we don't have to run the tobacco ad anymore. Yoink. God. Oh, I'm choking on cigarette dust, probably. Oh no, warranty void if I take the sticker off?
No, please, stop!
I hate warranties in this household. All my homies hate warranties on products. Ah, okay. Well, it is exactly the same. Jesus. Oh yeah, wait, I didn't actually show you what happens when you... Fuck. Oh. Womp womp password. I bet the password is password. Wouldn't that be funny? You know what? Let's take some password suggestions from chat. PASSWORD. Invalid password. ADMIN. Invalid password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it did not like that one. Harbor 2023 though, try that. Nope. Quick, sorry, hack the mainframe. I'm in. Fuck! We're doing the EEPROM thing, no more suggestions, okay?
You know what that means? It's time for Dump That EEPROM!
The password is
Hiding somewhere inside this chip.
Okay, Betty.
Erect.
First step is identifying which is the EEPROM chip. MXIC. MX does storage, right? Yeah, CMOS flash memory, we got it! First try identifying a CMOS chip. 23 ball. Dude, they have so many ball! Tiny ball. But so many of them! How do I...
Now you might expect me to be the kind of person to own a BIOS dumping tool and a chip clip to just plop onto the chip like a head crab to a finder's head, but nope. Hey, I figure I can make do with the Raspberry Pi if I try hard enough.
Defeating a laptop's BIOS password. Good hell, that's not ominous at all. Oh god. Fixing V incident. Oh. Oh, I don't know how to tap that chat. My streams are weird, right? It's like half the time you just get like regular ass video game stuff and I yell at the game. And the other half, it's like, chat, we're gonna look at some data sheets today. Why is there balls? Why not balls? Oh wait, but it runs at 1.8 volts? Is that gonna be an issue? Yeah, unfortunately it will. The Raspberry Pi runs at like 3.3 volts, so connecting it directly to the BIOS chip is an easy way to release the magic smoke, which isn't something you normally wanna do. Unless you're looking for that scrumptious ozone smell to brighten up your living space. Doing it right would mean building 3 step-down circuits to communicate from the Pi to the BIOS, and 1 step up to communicate back from the BIOS to the Pi. But here's the problem. I don't know how to build circuits. Yes.
voltage. I've tried a couple times to learn, but I can never quite wrap my head around it all. Fixing things? Easy. Modding things? No problem. Building existing circuits? Pfft, child's play. But creating a circuit from scratch? Yeah, it'll go kind of like that. Thankfully, Grabhanum in chat was there to help me out. Shifting down can just be a voltage divider, but shifting up might need more. Yeah, that is the problem, isn't it? Because it's going to be returning 1.8 volts as well. Wait, can I just use... I have a bunch of transistors. Let me MS Paint a schematic. We can do this with what you have. If you believe we can. So this is what I was linked. This is a mountain. Forgive me. I don't know diagram enough. So this is the transistor. One goes to ground. The other one goes to the flash. And then the other one goes off into the mountains. But see, this is doable. This could happen tonight. God, we have to do it now, don't we? I think we're doing it. Fuck it, we ball. Fuck it, we ball. MS Paint, a handful of transistors and a dream. Let's go. It's not ball, it's dual inline. Okay, fuck it, we dual inline. Fuck it, we T-sop. Fuck it, we T-sop. All I needed was 6 resistors and a transistor. How hard could it be to wire those up correctly? As it turns out, very. Joe knows electronics. Okay, so we got resistors, we got transistors, and we got prototyping boards. This is a very little guy. This is a very dumb thing, and I'm excited. I had to mount the transistor on a prototyping board just so that I could solder to it more easily. Raspberry Pi. I have 2 outies, I have 2 innies, but I don't have an innie to an outie. Ah, there we go. There's my gender changers. We're making the freaking pins trans. So 3.3 volts from this side to this guy. Tony, do not eat the high voltage. So we're just gonna start with something basic. We're gonna start with, I know what a VCC is, and I can certainly solder to it. Pro tip, if you're gonna clip onto a chip that's still connected to a board, just power it through the board. Otherwise, you'll need to disconnect its power pin so you don't end up trying to power an entire computer backwards. Yes, one red is ground and one red is VCC. Surely this isn't gonna go wrong. Yeah, so then we connected it to the thingy, which goes through the thingy and does the thingy, which does the stuff. Oh, what the shit? So I believe that's the idea, right? The resistor will mean that half of the voltage goes to ground, but the other half goes to the place we want it to go, which means it gets divided by 2. Yeah? I did it, guys. Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me, vaguely. I think it's not quite set up right. The high side should be on the end of the pair. Oh, no. Okay. Chat, is this our cursed dumping circuit? Is something producing the 1.8 volts yet? Oh, no. Well, I believe it is actually time to connect this. I'm plugging in the Raspberry Pi. Pretty good so far, nothing explode. Now I just gotta connect to the Raspberry Pi. What are my fucking Raspberry Pi credentials? God. Oh, supposedly, do this. It should detect it. Oh, permission denied. Probably worth peeking at the data lines on the 1.8 volt side. Okay, do I even remember how to use an oscilloscope? Did I ever know how to use an oscilloscope is the better question. Amplitude is 1.2 volts. This is supposed to be at 1.8 volts. Wait, what, why? Maybe trying to power up the whole board's 1.8 volt bus and overwhelming the divider. Oh, yeah, that's a spicy meatball. Yeah, if I disconnected it, everything goes immediately back up to 1.8. The voltage coming through the divider into the VCC pin of the BIOS chip was also going into the rest of the computer, which greedily sucked all the amps it could until the voltage was down at 1.2 instead of up near 1.8. Yeah, trying to power an entire computer through the power pin on the BIOS chip ain't the best idea, it turns out. I'm gonna go ahead, I think, and lift that pin. Surely this will not be a bad idea. Damn it. Now scope the data lines. I'm seeing data. Data's coming back from the chip. Okay, but then why is it not getting back to us? I'm betting you it's this guy. I'm betting you that's not actually touching the pin like I thought it was. Nope, it isn't. Oops. This might be it, guys. This might actually just work now. Why? If you just tie the low side of the level shifter to ground, does the high side go low? No. So this is at ground and yet it's at 3.3 volts. So it's still just not talking through the transistor? Threshold voltage typical 2.1 volts. We need a lower voltage MOSFET. Why? Dumb question, did you unhook the level? That would be why. Wait, that means it's working. Cause I was seeing zeros on the, oh. Wait, that means that this level shifter is working. Wait. Yes! Yes! Found Macronix chip!
Oh my god, it works! Yes! Oh my god, it works! We are talking to a 1.8 volt chip without a goddamn level shifter. We've built our own. Ah! Oh my god, it actually works. Fucking, it's talking to the goddamn chip, man! Holy shit! Little guy. .bin. Okay, it's dumping. It's actually dumping, and I see it working on my goddamn oscilloscope and everything. Oh, that's oh, it does not. Oh, that's not a clean wave. That is certainly something. Oh, they finished. Oh, I finished. Oh shit, little guy 1.bin is dumped. Yep, that's 16 megs. There it is. There is our BIOS. The fuck do I get the password from here, though? I found this software called Eufy tool. What do you say, UEFI? No, it's Eufy. That could crack open a BIOS dump. Yo! But none of the instructions I could find online were helpful. Okay. I don't... Oh, wait a second. There's just a website to do this for me? You're telling me I just hit browse? Upload little guy 1.bin? Oh, we got it! Holy shit, it's... Oh, there it is! Holy shit, that was easy! Look, it's right there! There's just a website and it fucking works! Wow! Oh my god! Let's go try it. Let's go fucking try it! Oh, I'm so excited! God, I can't believe this fucking worked, dude. Holy shit. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Oh my god, it's the moment of truth. Capital H dash ALTRIA 23230. Yes! Yes! Oh! Let's fucking go! Let's fucking go, dude! We're fucking in! Yes! Holy shit, I'm a fucking hacker, dude! Yup, it's just that easy. Turns out the password was H-Altria23230. H for Harbor, the manufacturer of the display. Altria for Altria Group, the multinational nicotine peddlers behind the advertised product. And 23230 is the zip code for Altria headquarters. The award for the closest guess goes to chat member Sweetest Bean Ever Seen for Harbor 2023. Nice job. First order of business is clearing that damn password. I mean, it's not gonna stick, but save changes and exit. Oh, American Megatrends. Oh, BIOS password is gone. Wait, so does that mean if I'm to unplug the CMOS, you guys think that unplugging the CMOS will now set the password? Ah, look at that. Yeah, no, it actually does get reset to having a password. But we got it, so it doesn't fucking matter now, does it? Of course I immediately ran to tell Gravis about my escapades. Who wouldn't? Time to prepare a Debian Live USB. What do you think is like a little guy appropriate OS? Puppy Linux? Puppy Linux! For usability, we're not going for usability. We're going for, I want to boot something cute and funny. Nyarch. The real distro? Yes. Why? Yes. Minimum requirements. Electricity optional. Display enough to appreciate anime girls required. Material, ooh. Enhance your weeb flow. Wait, is there no boot from USB at all? Yeah, they removed all boot options besides the onboard storage. Why were they so paranoid? Launch EFI shell application from one of the available file system devices. Cool. Can't say I know what to do with this menu, but I have it. Yet they provide EFI shell access so that you can boot stuff anyway, and that's actually more power than the other stuff, so I don't know, man. I just work here. Yes! Let's fucking go! We got grub! Welcome to Nyarch Linux! Oh my god, dude! This is so dumb, I love it! Oh, did it fail? Ah! Hi, Tetho! I got jump scared by Tetho! It's slow as fuck, but it works! I think it says waifu like Gnome 3. Oh, there's all the cat girls on it. I'ma hack this tobacco advertising kiosk and put waifus on it! We are dumping for the second time tonight. I'm taking a dump. Dumping makes me feel good. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this fucking thing, man. It worked. Tony, do not eat the phone. He's a screamy little baby. I love him so much. I'm pretty sure the chip in that Pi 4 is twice as powerful as the Celeron. Yeah, but like the Pi 4 didn't need to be hacked into. That makes it ultimately less interesting of a device. Does it not?
Now that I had full control over the little guy, it was time to reassemble the entire unit so we could witness waifus on that gloriously wide display.
This is gonna be a little annoying. Come on, buddy. I'd love it if you gave me a freaking hole. Yeah, don't say that, sorry. Why? Streaming has given me the horrible habit of just saying whatever awful shit just comes to mind immediately without any regard for what it could possibly mean. All right, our little guy has been returned to his home. Wait, with the power of hacking into the BIOS. Oh, that's what the BIOS looks like on here. It's right justified. Ooh, 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 there it is. There we go. Beautiful. On the, oh, wow, look at her. She's beautiful. How am I supposed to use this on stream? I can't even, is there anything I can use to hold this up? Wait, I just had an idea, hold on. The box for the half-watt resistor kit. It might be the perfect height! Joe knows electronics saves the day once again! Sorry, can you see yourself making a video about this project? I can see myself making a lot of videos, a lot of projects. It's all a matter of doing it.
I tried connecting it to the internet, but then it froze.
Oh, my little brain can't handle internet connectivity. Oh, it's going to explode with no more RAM. Oh, no.
Oh, what? It's going again. Whoa! Device memory is nearly full. Software was using a lot of memory and was forced to stop. It hung for 9 minutes because it ran out of RAM connecting to the internet. I was right. How much RAM is there? 2 RAM. That's it? Isn't it supposed to like print a thingy over here? If you're not gonna do it, I gotta do it myself. You know what you should really just do is play Bad Apple when you run it. Wait, is there like... Okay, it's not synced up.
Well, it was either this or play Doom, and you already know how I feel about Doom. Why would I willingly play a game about shooting demons? It's against my heritage.
Yeah, there we go.
Well, I'm now the proud owner of a certified little guy, and I have no idea what to do with it. Well, I do have one idea. Leave your suggestions down below, and maybe I'll make them into a build. I don't know. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, rate 5 bells, ring the star, eat my ass.
Celeron was renamed to, and I'm entirely serious, Intel processor? What do you mean, Intel processor? That's what they make. That's all they make. Intel processor. What kind of Intel processor? Oh, you know, the Intel processor. Oh.